Hi and hello, this is Kishore Kumar. In this video, we are going to explore a solenoid. This is the solenoid, which is a kind of electromagnetic switch. I will explain the setup briefly. So, the main parts of a solenoid are the coil. You can see the coil with the insulation and the plunger. Here, this is the plunger. This will go up and down. And a spring. You can see the spring. This is the arm. The contact points are the arm and the plunger. You can observe that the contacts are closed. There is no gap between the plunger and the arm. Now we will come to the circuit. This is the power supply board. From here you can see the two terminals of the solenoid, which are powered by phase and neutral 240 volts or whatever volt it is designed for. It can be AC or low voltage DC. Low voltage DC is used for safety purposes. So, now you understood that the solenoid has to be powered. Then as load I have connected an bulb. The bulb gets power from this same power board. This is the neutral, which is connected directly to one terminal of the bulb, and the other terminal or the blue wire you can see is connected in serial with the arm screw, and the other point is connected through this small bit of adapter to the phase terminal. So in brief, the lamp is connected in series with the plunger. This type of plunger is known as NC or normally closed. Now we will see the operation. Please watch the bulb and also the position of the plunger when it is energized. The switch is here for energizing this plug point. So when I switch on, you can watch. I am going to switch on. Now the circuit is open. You can see the gap between the arm and plunger. Now I am going to on. Off. On. Off. You can see the gap only energized. You can see the gap clearly. On. Off. The same method, there is also an NO or normally open solenoid. So if you have any doubt, please post it in the comment box. Thank you.